Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to cancel a Spotify subscription. It's just pretty quick and easy, so let's go. So, cancel your premium plan anytime on your account page. So, if you open up Spotify and you're logged into your Spotify account, then if you go to the settings and under your plan, you can see here that my plan is just a premium mini. So, the time remaining days for this premium is only for 2 days. So, it will cancel in 2 days. But if this is a premium plan, you can scroll to cancel Spotify and click cancel premium. Your premium stays until your next billing date. Then your account switches to free. You keep your playlist and save music when your account is free. You can also still log in and play with ads. So, no option to change plans? This means your plan is associated with a partner company. To cancel, find their contact link on your account page under payment. If you pay through iTunes, see Apple steps to cancel. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!